Are you just starting your first email marketing campaign? Or maybe you already have some experience but wondering how you can improve the results? In both cases, this video is for you. Today, I will share 10 secrets that will help you make your email marketing campaign successful. My name is Kasey Luck. I run Luck & Co. Agency. We are an agency that helps 7- and 8-figure e-commerce brands with email and SMS marketing. Over the years, we've acquired a ton of experience and made many mistakes so that you don't have to. Watch this video until the end to learn all of our best practices. Before we start, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe buttons. They help a ton. Thanks so much. Secret number 1, email your new email subscribers immediately. A welcome email is your chance to make a good first impression and keep your subscribers hooked. It's like greeting a new customer when they enter your shop. When the person signs up for your email list, they're showing an interest in your brand. And the best thing that you can do is send them a welcome email immediately. That's what they expect. So this helps to build trust between customers and you and shows them that you keep your promises. I have a collection of my favorite e-commerce welcome emails that I put into the video description under the video, so go and check them out right now. Secret number 2, get a growing email list. Building a healthy email list is the most important thing for any email marketing campaign. A quick tip: never buy an email list. Nothing good will come out of that. And to that point, just don't send emails to people without their consent. Instead, offer your shoppers compelling incentives and discount codes for joining your email list. The easiest thing to do is to add a pop-up to your website. I have a video walking you through exactly how to do that, which I will link in one of the corners, so go check that out. The faster your list grows, the faster your revenue will. Secret number 3, clean up your list. When you start doing email marketing, naturally, you want to email as many people as possible to maximize conversion. But there is a catch. When you keep sending emails to people who don't open, your open rate goes down, and eventually your emails might start getting into people's spam folder. It's a good practice to continuously clean your list. I recommend doing that every 6 months. My favorite approach is to have what's called a sunset email flow. This flow automatically grabs each contact in your database who's receiving emails but not engaging, sends them a couple of plain text emails trying to get them to open again, and then for those people who still don't open, this flow sends them a short note telling them that they're about to be unsubscribed. If you want me to record a video on how to create a sunset flow in detail, please let me know in the comments, and if we receive enough comments, I will do that next. Secret number 4, use segmentation. Segmentation is a very useful strategy that helps you personalize emails for your subscribers. When you segment your list and send more targeted emails, that leads to higher open rates and click rates, lower unsubscribe rates, and better conversion. While creating an email, take some time to think, who should get this email? Don't send every email to your whole mailing list. You can segment your subscribers based on different attributes. The most common ways to do that are by age group, time zone, geographic location, and interactions with your past campaigns. For example, you can segment people who clicked on your last year's Black Friday emails but haven't clicked since. Or build a segment of people who've purchased before but haven't clicked anything in the last 2 months. Then target those groups with specific offerings and unique messaging. Secret number 5, use email automation. This is my favorite. I always say everything that can be automated should be automated. By definition, automated emails are more targeted and timely than email campaigns, so it's no wonder that the conversion rates are also much higher for automated emails. If your email automations or flows are set up well, they convert shoppers into paying customers automatically while you sleep, eat, or take a vacation. What are some of the examples of automated emails? Well, a welcome flow, which we talked about at the beginning of this video, abandoned cart flow, win-back flow, post-purchase flow, and sunset flow, which we also talked about in this video just before this point, and many other flows. Here are a few tools that will help you run email automations. Klaviyo, this one is my favorite, and check the link in the video description to get started on Klaviyo for free. We also have Drip, Sendinblue, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Privy, and honestly many other email service providers. Secret number 6, responsive email design. Here's the thing. The majority of people check emails on their phones, like over 70% of people. So make sure that your mobile design is not an afterthought. The majority of brands still design for desktop first. But not Nike. They actually ditched the desktop layout completely, so all of their emails are mobile first, whether you're looking at it on your phone or your computer. I have a separate video on this channel just about email design, so go check it out. It's one of the most popular ones. One important thing to keep in mind as you design for mobile is dark mode. When you're testing your emails, make sure that you open them in light mode as well as dark mode and ensure that the email looks good in both scenarios. Secret number 7, improve your subject lines. Subject lines are both an art and science, and also the most frequently asked about topic around here. There are a few things that go into each subject, and I actually have a much longer video all about subject lines, so go check it out. It should be linked in the corner. If you want a few quick tips, here you go. When it comes to subject lines, ask a question to attract your subscribers' attention, include a deadline in your subject line, or tell a joke. My favorite recipe for an email subject line is to combine benefit with curiosity. If you want inspiration, I linked my personal collection of favorite subject lines under this video. Click the link in the description to get it for free. Secret number 8, combine email marketing strategies with other channels. You can use your email list to get followers on your social media platforms. Got a notable TikTok video? Tell your email subscribers. Running an Instagram challenge or a giveaway? Tell your email subscribers. And vice versa. Make posts on your socials about the perks of joining your email list every now and then, and always have a link to the subscribe page in your link tree. Secret number 9, include user-generated content. User-generated content is basically any form of unsponsored content that customers create about your products and across social media networks. These can be reviews, posts, images, or videos. People want to buy products that other people have purchased, and people tend to trust other consumers more than they trust your company. And very often, I see that companies forget about this. So find creative ways to include your customers' photos, testimonials, Insta stories, and Twitter shoutouts in your emails, and check how it will affect the conversion. You can see a few examples of how that can be designed into an email on the screen right now. Secret number 10, one email, one purpose. Each email should have one specific and singular call to action. The reader's decision should be binary, just a simple yes or no. Don't give them so much of a choice, otherwise they would not choose anything. Whether you ask them to click a button, to take a survey, or make an order. Just make it one thing. It's okay to have several buttons in your emails, but they should all lead to the same one action. If you haven't done this already, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss new useful videos about email marketing and e-commerce. And I will see you in the next video.